Preston, what does the A say? What does a B say? What does a C say? What does a D say? What does an E say? What does an F say? What does a G say? Good job. What does an H say? What does an I say? E. What does a J say? Jump, jump. J, j, j. What does a K say? What does an L say? L. What does an M say? What does an N say? What does an O say? What does a what does a P say? What does a Q say? Qu, qu. R. S. What does a T say? What does a U say? What does a V say? What does a W say? What does a X say? X. What does a Y say? What does a Y say, Preston? You're so close. What does a Y say? Y, y. What does a Z say? Z. Yay! You know your letters. You know your letters. Say hi, Max. Hi, Max. Preston, say hi.
Hi.